Hey y'all, so I am doing an out of the shower wash and go, which I almost never do, but I'm trying to incorporate easier methods. Now that I'm like 26 weeks pregnant, so once baby get here, I won't have as much time to do my hair. So, and then I don't want to just be in the shower because my in the shower wash and goes they waste a lot of water. And I'm probably in there anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. That's bad. So I'm trying to get the out of shower wash and go down. So I just wanted to quickly show y'all the process. So I applied a creamy leave-in, and that's the Mane Choice Durafro Culture triple layer leave-in. And then I applied the gel from the same line, the Bold Buttery Gel. I love this line for my wash and goes. Because for my 4B4C hair, I need a really creamy leave-in to go underneath. And then, so you saw me using a brush. That was the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, my favorite brush for my wash and goes. And that just helps kind of get the definition started. And then I use my fingers to kind of lock the definition in. So I take smaller sections, like smaller subsections of the section that I started out with, and I just kind of run my fingers through, and I think this is called raking and smoothing. I think is what it's called. Let me see. I'm just saying there we go. Like I saw a freezy piece. So basically from there, I'm just running my fingers through it in small sections to lock in the curls. So I've already done this side, as you can see, and now we're on to this side. I'm trying to speed up a little bit, but I wanted to at least show y'all the process that I'm using. It's actually basically identical to my in shower process. Only difference is, the water source is a bottle versus versus the shower. So I'm using my African Pride continuous spray bottle, and it's just water in here. So let it really good. Like real good, soaking wet. And then I apologize if I sound winded. I am. This pregnancy has been pretty much about the same, just as easy, but I'm just tired, honey. I'm tired of being pregnant already. I still got at least 15 weeks to go, probably. So anyway, I added my creamy leave-in, and we're gonna work that through. And now I'm adding my gel. And I'm heavy-handed with all my products, but that helps make my style last longer. Because wash and goes are definitely 4B4C friendly, but you just gotta know what you're doing. Otherwise, you're gonna be putting in all that work and effort, and your hair gonna be a poof ball in the next day or two. So I'm heavy-handed with my products so that my style will last longer. So brush, and I washed, deep conditioned, and detangled last night. So this is not like I'm just styling dirty, tangled hair like all of this. It's been washed, deep conditioned, and detangled last night. So that's why this brush is like kind of just gliding through. So anyway, so like I said, we kind of use the brush to get the definition started. And then we take smaller sections and rake and smooth from the root down to really lock in the curls. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, this is the same thing I do in the shower. We just gonna see what the results is looking like. That'll be the deciding factor on if I continue this or if wash and goes are just out for a little while, because my in the shower wash and go is just way too water intensive and too time consuming. this last little section here in the front. Okay, so this side is done. This side is almost done, and then I will show y'all the results once it's dry. So I'll be back. All right, so this is basically the end result. My hair is basically dry, and one big takeaway is that my hair pretty much looks like it would look if I had done this in the shower, but it did not take nearly as long to dry. Like, it's basically dry now. It's been dry for a little while now. If I had done this in the shower, I would still probably be about 60%. I'll probably have about 40 to 30% drying time left. And my hair's really, really shrunken, so I am going to attempt to stretch it with the blow dryer. So I just wanted to kind of document, this is the before, and then we'll just kind of see what the after looks like. All right, y'all, so these are the results of the stretched wash and go. I'm here for it. Absolutely here for it. So I'm gonna show you a before really quick. And then this is the after. And this is actually the after because it's been a full day since I've done this, and I've been outside all day. So it actually probably was a little bit longer and a little bit fuller earlier today. But since I've been out and about and been in the humidity, it's probably shrunk some. But I'm still loving the results. It looks so good, y'all. Like, I wish I was doing this because I knew about using a blow dryer to stretch my wash and goes, but for whatever reason, I just thought I couldn't do it, so I just never tried. So I was finally like, I'm gonna see if I can stretch this. And curls are still intact. Everything is still preserved. It's just bigger and fuller. So I'm here for it. Definitely here for it. Anyway, that's the results. I hope this was helpful. So 4B, 4C girls, you can absolutely stretch out your wash and goes, small sections, and work from the bottom up. Preserve the ends. Do not let the heat touch your ends, and you'll be straight. So hope this helped.